up, guys? Welcome to another review. We're gonna do a review on these LEDs that I got in for the Tahoe. They are 6K. Let me see, boy. Let's see them right here. All right, right there. Let's turn it right there. The H11s. So that's for the low beam. Right there. They're 6K. Let's turn it this way. There you go. So y'all can check out the specs right there. 30,000 hours. Damn. Energy saving, easy installation. We'll see how easy it is right now. You got all that info right there in case you want to check that out. There you go. There's that. That's all. That's it right there. Okay, let's check them out. Right, let's put it on here. Let's open it somewhere. Put it on top of that box right there.
Okay.
Put it on that box and let's see if we can open this. Wiggle it out. Wiggle it. Can I grab the bottom? You see the bottom? Grab it. The little piece. Hold on. Let's see. All right, there you go. Got it open. It's on the ground. Let's check that out. Ooh. Okay, I guess that's the brand, maybe. I don't know, right there. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description down below, just in case you want some of your own. You got a Tahoe also. Got a, I guess, a 2-year warranty, it says right here. All right, put that in there. Read that later. These are what the LEDs look like. Let's check them out. Look really nice, right, boy? Look nice. Just take one out. Let's take one out.
And take another one out?
Should just be plug and play right there. Plug and play.
Take another one out?
Huh?
Take another one out?
No, it's okay. And then we got the fan right here. Yeah, it won't focus on the dang fan, man. Damn thing won't focus.
It's for this bottom one.
Oh, there you go. There you go. We got the fan. Looks pretty damn. Feels pretty heavy duty. So we'll see if they last and how they install. Never installed headlights on a Tahoe before, so gonna open up the hood, right, boy?
Mm-hmm.
Open up the hood.
Maybe it's for the orange one or the
your wheels.
one on the bottom next to the big one.
And the Tahoe's dirty as hell. Right, boy? Super dirty. It's so clean right now, though.
It's heavy for kids, so pull that up too.
Oh,
Yeah, that's heavy for.
oh my gosh, what am I gonna have to do? Okay, let's see. This one should be super easy, I think. Okay, I guess it's just this part right here. I gotta unscrew probably. Then it's gonna be a short one. Okay, I'll unscrew that. And then it says remove bulb H11 on there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Probably not. Yeah, y'all can probably see it. So that's that. I think this is the hardest one because I probably gotta remove this box right here, because there is no way I'm gonna stick my damn hand in here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to remove this whole box right here. Damn it, that's what I didn't want, but so I'm gonna have to do. So let me put this one in first, see if it just fits in there real good. All right, so we're just gonna unscrew this. Wow, that was really easy. Okay, I guess probably unscrew this. That's how it usually is. Twist it, there you go. And then unclip it. This one has a, where you press it down right here, and then you just slide it out. Fairly simple. Down. It's pretty much going. See, this is just the regular bulbs right here, the H11s. And so I'll just plug this one in real quick.
Plug it in.
And see, I guess they can go on both ways. So if it's not working, probably. Oh wait, hold on. It says this one actually has. I don't know if y'all can see it right there. It's like negative and positive. So just figure out which one's your negative and positive. Red is probably gonna be, oh, I don't know if you can see it. Okay, there you go. Red is most likely your positive, so the other one's negative. So positive is on the left right here, so I'm gonna connect it this way. Okay. kind of feel like I just want to test it out first, but I don't know. Alright, I think they're in. They're in.
Oh.
Alright, there it is. Let me turn it on. So the fan is super quiet, you can't even hear it. Drop one, stare straight into it. Here's the difference already, guys. That one's like more white. White is bluish. Check this one out. Yellow. So you can already see the difference big time. It's gonna be so sick when I get that other one in. I'm gonna take off that box and then we'll install that other one. So I put the little lid back. See, it goes on just fine. All you do, you just put the groove back in there and you just twist it on. That's it. That's that. Out with the old, in with the new. Put the one right here. I'm gonna install that. Don't mess with that fan, boy, okay? So we gotta take off all this stuff right here in order to get in there. I mean, unless I can reach in there somehow, but I highly, highly doubt it. Alright guys, so I think this whole box snaps off from the bottom. I think. There you go. Oh. Damn, I could just move the whole damn thing. Okay, I gotta move this bar now. Shoot. Come straight out. Okay. Okay. There's that. Now, I gotta take these out. Okay. All the headlight things right here. Can y'all see? See this? Like a little, gotta like open in there. The little screws in there. I wonder if I can take that little plastic down. Twist it. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Winner. Got it, guys. See that? Put this up here. It's always loose shit. Check this baby out right here. Guys, it's a complicated process.
Without this, Dada.
Trying to take this out, man.
You have this to help yourself.
Let me bend these back a little bit, man. These suckers are tough. Chevy like a damn rock, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Alright, I got this little flap down, man, but I'm thinking I want to get this other side too. But holy crap, man, they made this thing tough. Oh, might just be able to do it right there like that. Oh, man, you can't even. This thing is so hard to get out. What's going on? I'll put it back in so I can see it. Okay. And guys, I don't know if y'all can tell there, but that's as short as it is, man. It's as short as it is right there. It won't come out. It just stiff right there. So got the bulb out. Super hard. I'll put this in first, and then
I'm gonna show Mama the Tahoe.
I'm gonna plug it in.
Okay, then I'm gonna show Mama the Tahoe.
Gonna show the Tahoe. Okay, that was a lot easier to put in. Negative and positive, I cannot see in here, man. Okay, positive is on this side. So remember, the positive, negative. So switch this around. Plug them just like, oh crap, I need two hands again. I think it is in there. Let me check it out. Do you like the new lights, boy? Mm-hmm. They look cool, right? They're blue. Mm-hmm. Check them out. And they look way better. Oh, they're like blue white. They're white blue, right? Mm-hmm. Look way better.
Because the old ones were yellow.
Better than the yellow.
Better than the yellow.
They're super bright.
Better good.
Looks meaner now. Can't wait to see it at night. Can't wait to show y'all at night. Alright guys, let's turn this baby on, see what it looks like. So what you think?
They're following me. Ah, look at the eye.
They look nice.
Yep.
You likes?
Yep.
You approve? Your mom-mobile just got better?
Yep.
Now you can see.
Yay. So thumbs up. Like John. Right boy, thumbs up. Yeah, it's weird. Wifey approves. The mom-mobile. There it is, guys. That's the finished product. What y'all think? Pretty badass. Way better than the yellow, right? Way better than the yellow, right, boy? Right? All right, now, what do you tell them?
Like, subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
And then leave the comments.
Yep, leave the comments and See you on the next one.
See you on the next one. Peace.
Still breathing, standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we fall.